Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. We're out here at rvmax.us in beautiful Greenville, South Carolina. I'm here with Mayan Shah. You may know him because they have a great YouTube channel. And behind us is this beautiful 2010 Featherlite. Just took it out for a test drive. We're going to show you that a little bit later in this video. This thing drives amazing. It's priced to sell. A lot of great features on it. This double slide coach. Mayan is the expert on this. He's going to take you for a full exterior and interior tour. And then we're going to show you the test drive at the end of this video.
So today we've got a purple gem. This coach is either purple or wine, depending on how cool you are. I think the cooler people think it's purple. And it has low miles for this age Prevost bus. It's only got about 89,000 miles, and this is a 1,000,000-mile bus. Now, Featherlite Coaches has been around. They've got a yachting background. Family that runs Featherlite now has been involved with racing for a long time. And this 2010 has the newer generation of electronics that was finished under Jimmy's ownership rather than the older Featherlites that we've had a lot of around here at RV Max. So this coach doesn't have bus air, and in return, you get a lot of storage. So, gargantuan pass-through storage compartments, and there's 2 of them. And look at the hinges on this thing. I mean, you can hang on it. So if you do a lot of hanging out, this coach is perfect. Now, this right here is going to be your generator radiator compartment. You do have a little dust shield down here, the little fluff that makes it look like a centipede, and that's gonna protect your coach from a lot of dust being kicked out from your fan down there on the generator. The generator on this bus is a 20 kilowatt. It's super quiet. It's on airbags. So you kind of forget it's running when you're inside the coach. And then when you're around it, it's in a quiet box. So you just hear this little vibration. I mean, it's a deeper vibration, but you barely hear it. Now this is just additional storage. And then this does have a 230-gallon fuel tank, which you can hit from both sides of the coach. And Prevost puts the fill-ups in the middle of the coach. Compared to most coaches, they're kind of towards the front. And I love this door because you've got a slide out. Actually, they just do it because they can. This compartment moves over and out of your way like a spaceship. And then behind this chromed out piece is your aqua hot. You've got controls for your electric window awnings over here. You do have a gravity fill. Now that's like an RV feature that's sometimes skimped by manufacturers. So if you ever need to fill the coach just directly, if your water valve stopped working for some reason that lets you fill the tank, you can just stick a hose and fill it up directly. And we do have push button drains, beautiful, faucet out here. The way Featherlite finishes out these coaches is quite nice. And we recently got to tour the Featherlite factory, which is a great video on our channel, coming soon. We still got to do some editing work. Now this is, as mentioned, the big 14-liter Detroit Series 60, and it's only got 89,000 miles, so really not even broken in. And right back here, you open up this compartment, hit this lever. I love the little chrome pipes too. You've got one stainless pipe for the generator and one for the aqua hot. That way it's not gonna kick out to your left or right and hit your neighbor. Now the paint is exquisite. This coach was garage, and you can tell. We've also got the big 365 tires, of course, on the tag and the steer axle, and then 315s here on our dually. And being a Prevost bus, we do get disc brakes all around, in addition to a transmission retarder. This is gonna be a utility bay. So you've got access to your water pump, which is a Mach 5 headhunter. And when you take a shower, that water is gonna hunt your head and give you some good pressure. It's almost disappointing going back into a house after using one of these. And then the heaters are everywhere. So you've got electric heaters throughout the coach, including down here in the bay. And then you also have aqua hot heat. So you can take this thing to Alaska. There's a mana block, shut off individual taps. You've got an extra water tap here, straightforward fresh tank drain and valves for the toilets and stuff like that. And then another freshwater inlet. Now, one thing Featherlites did during this era was these little stainless trim pieces that they actually mount little LED running lights in. And then the coach does have an LED underlight package that wraps around the coach, and it doesn't have them on the other side, but the 2 slides on that side of the coach actually have these big puck lights mounted in the bottom of the slide outs. giving you a really cool ambiance at night. Right here is our generator packed away in a storage box. It's a PowerTech with right around 3,300 hours. It was just serviced, this coach, at Featherlite down in Sanford, Florida. And the condition of the quiet box is nice. It's not falling apart. And it certainly keeps that generator pre-hushed. Now, right up here are two 4,000 watt Xantrex inverters, and they're gonna allow you to run up to 2 air conditioners off the battery system. And then back to the pass-through storage compartments, which I've actually seen people put motorcycles down here, like the little mini bikes, or take the, the handles off. There's also another electric heater kicked in there. That's the thing about a bus like this, is the redundancy, and just they finish everything out as much as they can. And then again, huge storage, which I think a lot more people find practical than sometimes having the entertainment out here, but you could always add an entertainment setup if you'd like. All right, time to walk inside this coach. And from the first opening door moment on these buses, you're met with beautiful leather, tile work. They even have some of the wood cabinetry down here in the stepwell, and there's leather everywhere. I mean, all of this is covered. The leather's interesting in this coach. It has like a kind of sparkle sheen to it, and I almost think there's a bit of metallic in the leather, but that's just me. Now, we've got 2 slides on the coach, big salon area with this designer couch, massive windows. That's one of the benefits of having these Prevost buses, is all of the window space you get. It even comes into our galley space, and I think it looks interesting because of it. You've got this like kind of floating splash guard here. There's built-in LEDs in the glass. Everything's finished out very well. And while we're at the factory at Featherlite, we got to see one of these broken down. So they start with this material back here, and then they take all these leather pieces and place them. So it's cool to see how they layer it. That way they are able to hide a lot of the vents throughout the coach and do other cool stuff while they build it. Now, this is a nice booth setup here. You've got your cup holders so you can be rocking a drink while going down the road. There's 2 different iPads that control the whole bus. And I always love how finely cut these Corian pieces are. You almost can't see it, but it does have a dual burner stovetop. It's not an induction, it's just a standard stovetop. Everything feels so heavy. Like when you look at the backsplash, it just looks like it weighs like 1,000,000 pounds. They just don't care in these buses. Their goal is to finish everything out. Like, look at this beautifully curved piece of wood, and all of the cabinetry just flows so well. This stopper where the electric pocket door meets is made out of stone or Corian. And then right back here is our bathroom. The floors were changed out in this coach. They were updated. We've got a vanity here. There's a good bit of storage. All these little drawers have built-in locks. You've got your inverter controls, which you can do all of this from the iPads, but they still give you the physical buttons if you ever need to come to them for any reason. And then right here is a piece of art. It's the shower. So I've got a little brass drain down there. I love the extra window. The shower is just decked out. And look at the door. It's just like, it's literally made out of Corian stone. Piano hinge there. And then across the hall, we do have our water closet with an elongated porcelain toilet bowl and your own sink. Now, right back here is another pocket door, and the cabinetry actually changes here in the master bedroom. We've got that beautiful kind of ivory white cabinet finish back here with some texturing. There's a good bit of space because this is a super slide, and the king bed goes out in addition to this mini wardrobe over here. And then there's more storage back here. So updated Samsung TV, big wardrobe in the back, more storage there, and a ceiling fan. The headboard's pretty nice too. They actually allowed some light to come through. I like the windows. I like anytime they use windows on a headboard. It just feels so posh back here.
We're gonna take this 10 out on the road. This old girl, take her out. Handle's nice, we'll see how it is on the highway. You hear the air going, it's hot out, so we got all the airs pumping in here to try to cool everything down. She's been sitting out in that hot weather. You know what's crazy? It's such a big coach, and look at the tiny little blades. Those wiper blades like little babies. So we're on hitting the highway. So I was just commenting off camera. It was just 45 feet, but this thing, it's planted. Like taking the turns, there's no lean. You don't hear any squeaks. All you're hearing is the air right now. Jason was commenting how quiet it is. How is it up in the passenger seat?
This thing is a smooth ride. It's a big boy. This is nice.
Yeah, it's very smooth. You can see I'm one hand on the wheel. That's why people, they buy the Prevost, right? You have your high production motorhomes, but they don't really compare. You know, this is a 15-year-old coach at this point, and it's just handling. There's no noise. No wind noise, no squeaking. It's super quiet. I'm hitting 60 miles an hour. It's just so smooth. It's eating up the highway. Yeah, I could probably get in trouble driving this. I'll be hitting 75, 80 on this. Just got back from the test drive. Thank you for that tour test drive. Now, if somebody wants to contact you, what's the best way?
Best way is to reach out to us at either 864-376-5600, or as we say around here, 5600.
5600.
And my dad's phone number is 864-404-0054.
Now, what are you advertising this for? I know you want to move this coach, like some coaches here. This is a great value, 89,000 miles on a Prevost, well kept. I saw on the back when you opened up that rear had all the labels of when everything was maintained, which I noticed that. It's pretty awesome. So what, somebody wants to take this home, what are they looking at?
So we had it at $599. We've got it dropped down to an aggressive price of $499, $950. And the market is still moving, but prices just have to adjust accordingly, and we're trying to stay with the times.
So $499.95. If you're interested, put in the comments below, give them a call, tell them you saw it on our channel. We want to thank you, Maya, and thank Jason. It's hot out here.
Yes.
You've been putting in the work.
Thank you, Jason.
So thank you, everybody, for letting us bring this to you. We want your feedback. If you like videos like this, to the left of us, we'll put our RV tourist playlist. We'll put our RV buying tips playlist. And I want to thank Maya and Jason. We'll see you guys on the road.